thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Goma to Gages Lake to Riverwoods, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near North Chicago, Gurney and Park City around 3:15 p.m. Waukegan, Highland Park, Beach Park and Wadsworth around 3:20 p.m. Zion and Winthrop Harbor around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Old Mill Creek, Highwood, around Lake Beach, Lake Bluff, Indian Creek, Mid-Della, Fox Lake Hills and Paynesville, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 24, Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.
This is NOAA's weather radar.